how to delete reposted spotlight on Snapchat. So seems there is a bug in Snapchat which a lot of users are reporting. Basically, seems to be easy to delete the reposted spotlight. So just go to your profile, scroll to the bottom. You see all your reposted spotlights in here. To delete it, you just need to go back to this video and tap on two arrows. When you tap on like two yellow arrows, spotlight will be removed from your feed. So that's the idea. However, a lot of users on Reddit, like if you just go on Reddit, if you accidentally press the repost button, try to undo it, it will just come back like you didn't do anything. Seems intentional, it's very annoying. So some people, what they try to do, they unrepost it and they block the user from who they reposted. So for some users it works, for other users it's like, I tried that, but refreshing the app is still there. So let's try this. So I just go in here, I try to undo it, and then for me it works. So I deleted the spotlight. But to be sure, you can just go back to that user and block their account, and then after you blocked it, then it should be gone for some users. But for some users, it still reappears after you refresh Snapchat app. You know, in my experience, Snapchat app has quite a lot of bugs. You know, usually, if you use Snapchat app, you might notice there are sometimes bugs here and there. Some features are not finished, some issues here and there. So that's basically, what it is. Hopefully it is helping you out just like that. And but that's at the moment, this is just the idea.